Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Insane altcoin season is coming now. We are seeing it happening live. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. We're going to show you many charts that predicting a very big move for altcoins. Man, smash the like, do me a favor, subscribe, and let's dive into the video. First of all, man, Bitcoin bouncing off support here. This is, let's look on the daily chart, okay? Daily chart, big bounce on the Powell nonsense. Okay, you can see looks like a nice double bottom here. Textbook double bottom and a retest of prior resistance. Look at this. Beauty textbook. Poof. Now, Bitcoin bouncing, okay? This is a green flag for altcoins. But this video is not about Bitcoin because, you know, we trade in crypto, we trade in altcoins. Bitcoin, the big ROI potential move is rubbish now. It's cooked, okay? The money is gonna go now to altcoins. Altcoins are gonna do the multipliers, the 5x's, the 10x's, the 20x's, the maybe more than that. So this is where the money, and this is for crypto traders, regular crypto traders. That's what they're looking for. They look on Bitcoin as the index. We'll show you why we believe altcoin season is coming now. By the way, sir, make sure to get yourself a Bitunix account. Link below. You can trade from the US, Canada, Australia, all over the world. No VPN, no KYC. You make a deposit, they give you free USDT. This is unbelievable. Try it out. Link below. The best exchange I traded in my life 8 years in a row. Okay, let's go to the video. Okay, so Bitcoin, we covered. Let's look on Bitcoin dominance. Look what's happening to Bitcoin dominance. Okay, Bitcoin dominance, first of all, had a death cross. Okay, just had a death cross. I'll show you the death cross. What is a death cross? I'll show you exactly. Let me remove that stuff for a sec. All right. Now, look, this is a daily chart for Bitcoin dominance, okay? There was a risk of a falling wedge to break to the upside. It can still break to the upside, but if you look, zoom out here, this is the uptrend of the Bitcoin dominance since pretty much the beginning of the bull market, since December 2022. You can see we just broke it recently. Couple of days ago, we broke below it. So that's amazing for altcoin bulls. Amazing green flag for altcoin bulls. You know, you even have a little retest of this downward trend, this trend line from the backtest, and now it's coming down. Let's zoom on the 4-hourly. You can see the 4-hourly doing like a breakdown kind of pennant. Okay, hopefully it will continue down. Okay, now look at this. Okay, you can see this nice little squeezy chop. Altcoins were chopping here for the last couple of days, and no one knows what's going to happen. No man's land, and now we get the breakdown. Okay, we get the breakdown. We need to see it coming down more. You can see it's now at 59% dominance, and you know you're getting a breakdown. And this was the bear flag. Okay, so the bear flag from here is calling. I'll show you where it's calling on this breakdown. It's calling for around the 55% move. So we have a lot of more downside before a major bounce, and you can actually see it's probably going to these levels. All right, the 55% is looking like a very nice area for the altcoins to run and take the dominance down, and then maybe you're gonna get a little rest, maybe come chop, and then, you know, another leg down. Probably that we are now in the altcoin season moment of the cycle. It's a couple of months, and that's it. It's the end of the cycle. Make sure to join the membership link below because we are printing. Okay, now Bitcoin dominance. Another chart you want to watch. Okay, I'll show you another chart. I'll show you another few charts. Just first, let me show you a trade we took recently in the community, man. That was AIOT. Okay, AIOT, we bought it, or you can see the 7th of August. That was like 15 days ago. Bought it at 43 cents and 46 cents. Remember the number, man. 43 and 46. I'll show you more chart in a second on the dominance breakdown. Look at this. Look at AIOT, man. That was the trade, okay? You can see that was our first entry, 46 and 43. Okay, 2 entries we had here, printed. All members, man, took the trade. Max gain 340% on the second entry. The first entry was almost 380%. Man, do yourself a favor, join the VIP link below. Now let's continue. This is a chart that is predicting good stuff. Okay, USDT dominance. Okay, look, it's in a falling wedge, but it just got rejected from this trend line. You want to see this candle you want to see this coming down, down, and take this low. Once this happens, that's it. It's gonna be easy money environment. It's gonna be very easy money environment. Sir, make sure to smash the like, subscribe to your channel. Another chart you want to watch, another chart that predicting good stuff is coming. Good stuff. DXY. Where is the DXY? 1 second. Let me show you the DXY here. There you go. Okay, so the DXY as well looks like it's doing like a bear flag here. Very choppy chart. You can see today it's breaking down. If it start taking the low, also another thing, weak dollar, risk on assets usually go up on a weak dollar, on a dollar weakness, okay? That's what usually happens. That's good. And obviously, the most important chart for crypto is pretty much the NASDAQ and the S&P, okay? The NASDAQ and the S&P, clean chart here. We have a nice big green bar today, bouncing here. No signs of like crashing. It's not crashing. It's having a bounce. Risk on environment. Okay, when the S&P, the Nasdaq are bouncing, risk on environment. Bitcoin is not going to crash if the S&P and the Nasdaq are going up. Bitcoin will crash when they will go down. That's what happened to Bitcoin. But at the moment, Bitcoin follow the strength. Nasdaq is up 1 point something percent. Bitcoin today is up already 4%. Okay, and look at Ethereum BTC, my friend. This is the daddy. Okay, this is the daddy. That's what will propel the altcoin season and will crash the Bitcoin dominance. This chart. Look at where we are now. This is very, very nice area. If it can clear that level, dominance will take a big hit. Okay, around the 4,100 satoshis. Let's call it 4,200 satoshis. All this area, if you could break above it, close above it, boy, oh boy, it will crash Bitcoin dominance. And also ETHUSD, very, very nice chart. By the way, we've been printing with Ethereum in the last couple of months. Just want to show you that. Where is my East trade, man? Where is this? To show you, man, that was the trade from July 8th by the break of 2645, man. People are completely missing out on this bull run because they don't have ETH or they don't have the coins that actually moving. This was our first entry. We bought many times on the way up. Here, we bought here the dip. We bought that breakout here. And we actually bought some yesterday here, 2 days ago on the bounce. Man, Ethereum going up. Ethereum is bullish. That's the money season, okay? Time to man up. Time to pay attention. Really, if your coins are not pumping, if you're not going, your account is not going up, if your account is just chopping sideways for the last 2 months, man, the clock is ticking and the train is going. If you're not bouncing on the right trains, the right coins, you're going to miss out on the altcoin season. This alt season is not the same. It's not like 2021. It's not. This cycle is not their 2021 cycle. It's probably going to be very hard. Obviously, you might have a moment that everything will rip, or a few moments, but you can see they're very short-lived. They rip and then they pull back all the way down. Only a few move up, consolidate, and move higher. But most of them pull it back. So if you're not really taking your profit, if you're not using stops, if you're not rotating your profits into the next leaders, if you're not professional, if you don't follow mentors that doing it for years and years and back you up and watch your back all the time, like a family, a crypto family that take care of you, man, you better get on board on some kind of a trading service. We offer you our trading service. Join our VIP. We have an amazing summer sale coupon code, 25% off on all our services. You go on the checkout, you put the summer sale 25 below on checkout on the WAP, man. You get 25% off on our services. Man, check it out. It's going to be amazing now. Now, man, if the dominance will keep going down, this is where we shine, okay? Only if you've been in our membership, you know what I'm talking about. This is where we shine, and we always nail the leaders. Always, man. Always. Since April, man. We had virtuals, we had ZBCN, we had many movers. July, XRP and Ethereum, man. Bam, bam, bam. August, Ethereum and IoT and other mega bangers. Man, Now we're gonna move into September. Which one gonna be the leaders? We know, man. We know why. That's our work. We do it 8 years all day long on the charts, looking for alpha for our members, man. Really, if you're not in, it's not the same. If you trade alone, trade. If you're a hodler or invest alone, you know, from the US or wherever you are from, man, you're not gonna excel like we do because we are pros, man. It's like you go play basketball. You're like a midget, and you play against Michael Jordan. It's not the same level, man. You're gonna get cooked. All right, so really, get yourself education, get yourself the right mentorship, the right service. Join our VIP. By the way, if you trade with more than 50K account, 6-digit, man, if you're looking for the best service in the world, private, one-on-one coaching calls, a mentorship calls, a unlimited access and unlimited support from our traders, join Elite VIP, book a call with me. See you in the next video. Cheers.